Click Buy PEPE. You have now successfully bought cryptocurrency PEPE. Hello. Today, I'd like to talk about how to buy and leverage PEPE easily on your smartphone. I'll be talking about topics like this. The procedure for buying PEPE and leveraging transactions is as follows. 1. Register on Bitget for free. 2. Purchase USDT with a credit card on Bitget. 3. Purchase PEPE by USDT. 4. Trade PEPE with leverage. I will explain each step one by one. This time, after purchasing PEPE, I will also trade with leverage. Bitget offers low trading fees and allows trading with up to 125x leverage. In order to buy PEPE and trade with leverage, you will need to register on Bitget. You can open a Bitget account from the video details section. If you register by entering the referral code zukq in the video details section, you will receive virtual currency, coupons, and other benefits, so it's a good deal. As with anything, if you don't take action first, nothing will change. Most people don't do anything, so the opportunities only come to those who take action. I think it would be a good idea to take this opportunity to take your first step. If you don't know where to start, I recommend opening a Bitget account, which you can do easily with just your email address. Once you have completed the Bitget account registration from the video details section, you can receive your benefits from this icon on the top page. Also, this channel distributes information on cryptocurrencies. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get straight to the point. Register on Bitget for free. Open the Bitget registration screen from the video details section. Enter your email address. Set a password. Click Create Account. Enter the numbers sent to your email address. You have now successfully opened a Bitget account. You can download the Bitget app here. Purchase USDT with a credit card on Bitget. Open the Bitget top page. Click Add Funds. Click Credit/Debit Card. Enter the amount. Select USDT. Click Buy USDT. Click Add New Card. Enter your card information. Click Next. You can now buy USDT by a credit card. Purchase PEPE. Open the Bitget top page. Enter PEPE in the search box. Click PEPE/USDT. Click Buy. Select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the amount of USDT. Click Buy PEPE. You have now successfully bought cryptocurrency PEPE. Trade PEPE with leverage. If you do not have a futures account, you can do this from the Assets Futures Transfer menu. Open the Bitget top page. Enter PEPE in the search box. Click PEPE USDT. Click the leverage ratio. This time I will be trading at 10x leverage. Click Confirm. Select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the amount of USDT. Click either Open Long or Open Short. You have now completed the process for trading cryptocurrency PEPE with leverage. That's all for this time. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. See you again soon.